In English, there are different ways for greetings. For example, we can say, "Good morning." "Good morning." "Good afternoon." "Good afternoon." "Good evening." "Good evening." And of course, we can say, as we saw in the dialogue, "Hello." "Hi." And some people also say, "Hey," or "Yo." There are also different other ways for asking, "How are you?" So you can say, "How have you been?" How have you been? How have you been? How are you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing? How is it going? How is it going? How is it going? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What have you been up to? What have you been up to? What have you been up to? And if you want to answer these questions, you can say, "I'm fine, thanks." I am fine, thanks. I'm pretty good. I am pretty good. I'm pretty good. Not bad. Not bad. Very well, thank you. And you? Very well, thank you. And you? Not much. Not much. Not much. Let's see an example.
Yo, what's up? I'm fine, thanks. How's it going? Not bad.
Very well. And now, let me tell you some expressions that you can use for farewells. It's a pleasure seeing you. It's a pleasure seeing you. It's a pleasure seeing you. It's nice meeting you. It's nice meeting you. Or, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Goodbye. 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 Or simply bye. Bye-bye. Take care. Take care. Take care. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. See you later. See you later. See you later. See you soon. See you soon. See you soon. Let's see an example.
Hello.
Hi, Sarah.
How are you doing?
Very well, thank you. And you?
Not bad. Have a good day.
See you later. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and encourage us by liking this video.
Thank you. See you in the next video with a new lesson.